Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for the latest health news and updates. Today, we have an exciting development to share with you concerning NHS Dentistry in England. Let's dive right into it. The government is rolling out a comprehensive dental recovery plan aimed at tackling the dire shortage of dental services accessible through the NHS. This plan includes a series of incentives for dentists and innovative programs to improve dental health among children. First up, dentists are in for a treat. The government is set to offer a bonus to those willing to take on more NHS patients. This is part of a £200 million investment aimed at revitalizing NHS dentistry. In an effort to address disparities, up to 240 dentists will be offered a golden hello of £20,000 to work in areas with the least access to dental services. This initiative targets parts of England known as dental deserts, where finding an NHS dentist can be as rare as finding a needle in a haystack. And for the little ones, the Smile for Life initiative will bring mobile dental teams to schools, providing treatments like fluoride varnish to over 165,000 children. It's a proactive step towards combating dental decay from an early age. These moves come amid stark revelations about the state of NHS dentistry, with reports of people driving hundreds of miles for treatment or, in desperate cases, resorting to DIY dentistry. It's clear action is needed. These initiatives represent a significant step forward. However, it's crucial we continue to focus on preventive measures and ensure these solutions reach the communities most in need. The announcement has sparked a flurry of reactions. Critics argue it's a long overdue acknowledgement of a system in crisis, while others see it as a promising start to mend a frayed dental safety net. What do you think about these new measures? Will they be enough to bridge the gap in NHS dental care? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Until next time, stay healthy and keep smiling.